What's up, guys? I'm going to tell you all about the e-ticket because I had no idea that we were supposed to even have it. This is exactly how it went. Boarding pass, e-ticket. What's the e-ticket? I cannot take your bag. I cannot take your boarding pass until you have the e-ticket. What is an e-ticket? So before you go into Dominican Republic, you get assigned this random number. It's a really easy process, so I'm going to walk you through it. So I was really confused because when we were leaving from JFK, I did not see this anywhere. So the lady told us the website. So here's the website to make it a little easier for you. But it's really easy. You're going to want to screenshot it because you're going to need this number before you leave to go to Dominican Republic. And you're also going to need it before you leave to come back to the United States. They ask you for it pretty often, so just have it screenshotted on your phone. It makes it a lot easier when they're asking you for your boarding pass and your passport and your number. It's easier if it's just all on your phone and you have a paper boarding pass and your passport. It just makes it so much easier. So right here, it's going to have you choose your language. Of course, you want to choose English. The default is going to be in Spanish, just to warn you. So this is what the website's going to look like. From here, it's really easy. You just follow the directions. So here's a little explanation of what the electronic ticket is if you want to read that. It's probably going to look like this if you haven't switched the language yet. So just switch the language to English, then it will look like this. And you just literally walk right through the process. It's going to ask you general information. If you're flying into Dominican Republic or out of Dominican Republic, it will ask you some general customs information. And it's really that easy, guys. You get it done in about like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, depending. So as long as you just transfer it to English or your native language so you understand what the questions are, it will go a lot easier, but it really happens really fast. And then you want to make sure you screenshot this last part. When they ask you for the e-ticket, they're going to scan the QR code. So just zoom into the QR code and that's what they want. They won't look at the other stuff. It's all a really fast process. Don't be intimidated. It's just something different that we're not used to. And this is something they do every day. So they literally just scan it and keep it moving. And keep in mind, you need to have this number before you drop your bags. Even if you did everything through the self-kiosk and everything, you need to have this number. So make sure you screenshot it because you're going to lose it somehow. I know you will. I knew I would, so I screenshotted it and it was the best thing I did. I screenshotted my friends too. Otherwise, I have no idea how to re-sign in. It's not complicated, but it's just screenshot it. It makes life so much easier. I hope that helps. If you have any more questions about Dominican Republic or you want to see any more videos from me, make sure you comment below and I'll do my best to make a video about it to make life easier while you travel on a budget.